Hi, hello everyone. How to make a flowers, trees and leaves and finally give them animation. I will show you how to do that. First need to pick up a new slide. It's empty, blank. Go to insert tab. The first we are going to create a beautiful flower. Go to shape options. We need to choose oval tool. Here it is also oval, but here is the basic shape. You can take of them oval. It is exactly a circle, but it's called the oval there. Now we make it oval like this. Right click on it, make this oval. So select this, go to format here, format tab. For format tab, remove the outline, shape outline. It has outline, no outline. We have removed that. Okay, right click on it, right click on it, and go down format shape like that. Now the fill option, we need to choose gradient. Now gradient, it is default anything something like this. This 1, 2, 3, 4 stops. First, second, third, fourth. We need to remove that. Keep these 2 stops on. The first top we need to fill up yellow color. The next on second stop, select that. Go to color, green. Now the type linear. Okay, keep it that. Direction we add this direction. Okay, now right click on it. Here is the edit points. Here it is for black rectangle point. Just click that to white box point. Drag upside. It will automatically both sides. Okay, keep this enough. Nice spot. Keep tight. Just to minimize that. Options. Here it is. Curve. Just click. Drag. Just click on that. Just change the direction. Click and click on this. Hit the escape button. Like this. Then go to format. Refill this screen. Go to 1 second. 8. 8 means it is thickness. This is enough. Make this better. Now go to insert. Then again. Here it is tool. Snip diagonal corner rectangle. Like that. Look. No handle. Look. Do as what I do. Press and hold on the control key. Select this pattern. Press and hold on control key. Then drag your mouse to duplicate or paste. Stop this. Select both. Go to format. Go to outline. Trim outline. And fill with green. Not too much green. Like that both. Make them good. Just done this over here. Copy and paste. Okay. All elements select, put them together, group them, place them, okay, put aside. Now is the flower steps. Choose this isosceles triangle, right click on it, point, select this bottom corner, drag this white handle slightly, other corner, drag this slightly, look at this is the bottom portion, just drag. Enough. Okay, this is the leaf. This is one type of leaf. Okay, now copy and paste this. Right click on it. Go to again edit points. Select this side. Right handle. Move this side. Okay. Now make this small. Go to format. Light outline. Fill with green. Okay, fill with light green matter. Now this leaf. Line. Fill with green. Expand this. Group them together. Select that. Right click on it. Make this leaf smaller. Get put aside. Okay, rotate this. Copy and paste. Go to format. Rotate. Okay, choose. Okay, this group them. Okay, this is a tab. Now choose rounded rectangle. Right click on it. Point. Just drag this white. Adjust this. Just click on that. Left click. Then it place. Then right click on that. Points. Edit points. Edit point. 8 points. Go to format. Move outline. Fill Copy and paste this. Color. Take this. Yeah, right. Then you can make front. Okay, this is one type of tree. Need to create another type of different. Right click on it, back, format, remove outline, remove light. The type of tree we can find that. Now we need to pick up the tool curve, reform. Drag this. Okay, like that. Just mark, copy and paste. Make it slightly. And paste. Format, rotate. Became all. And this copy and paste. Make this select all the. Go to shape view. Format, outline, till right. I click on the back. We need to edit one type of leaves. Go to one second, isolate. Turn it. It finds in there. Go to format, green, fine, make this smaller, I made. Okay. Copy and paste. Them together. And can stick here. Right. All of the animation. Copy and paste this and group. Select all this. Select these 4 leaves. Animation. Add motion or motion. Is like this. Right click on this. Go to here. Remove smooth starts and go to timing tab. Start with previous. Repeat until end of the slide. To give this time delay as 0.5 1 second. On them. Then right.